Okay, inspecting an attic right now, and this is where the furnace is. And I want to show you firsthand what a non-permitted HVAC installation looks like. When we got this thing just sitting on 2x4s on the attic ceiling, which means it's going to cause vibration probably. That thing is really loose and, barely connected right. And then you got the AC line right here, all exposed. Oh, that's gonna drip in the hot summer and cause moisture damage on the ceiling. You got your exhaust vent pipe touching the wood. That's a fire hazard. And you get your indoor coil sitting on top of the safety pan to catch water, which is gonna cause it to leak. So, and there's more bad ducting right there. Buying a home, get it inspected. Call theauthority.com.